Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN, I'm your host P Fire, aka Leaning Tower of Pisa. You see what I did there? You already get it. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. And on today's episode of Nice Bit of Kit That, I'm going to be taking you through a few t-shirts. The sun's out, as you can see. It's beautiful. I'm sweating my forehead off. And yeah, I'm just going to get into it. Let me stop waffling. I'm going to show you a few t-shirts that will make your life easier in this weather. Let's get into it. Alright guys, CP Company t-shirt, sort of charcoal grey, black. Got the little pocket right there, you know what I'm saying, little spell out CP Company right there. Super nice, not too baggy, not too loose, kind of, you know, sorry, not too fitted, not too loose. Nice, see how it sits just below the waist. Okay, sticking with the CP Company, we've got this nice baby blue CP Company tee with the spell out right there on the breast side, and this is a loose t-shirt, bit like me on a Monday night after a couple runs. I say, why wait till the weekend? Okay, so we have this beautiful lavender Stone Island Shadow Project t-shirt, little embellishment right there on the shoulder. Of course, if you look at the back, you've got the literature right there. Very nice. As you can see, this is a tighter fit, tight like me on the weekend, because I spent all my money on the weekdays. Should have known better. So very nice, beautiful color. This give you a little toilage when you want to feel a bit muscly, you know what I'm saying? Keeping with the tight theme, I've got this nice Phoenix beer from Mauritius, which my boy Funky J got me. One of my favorite t-shirts, you know what I mean? Beautiful navy blue, shows the armage off, you know what I mean? Perfect for shorts weather, perfect for this weather, you know. Of course, we all know I am the Phoenix, so Phoenix beer, shout out my boy Funky J. This is a dope piece. Alright guys, next I've got this beautiful t-shirt, Straddlecaster from Uniqlo. You know, Uniqlo, if you want some really good t-shirts, you know, you might even get some dope collabs, you know what I mean, you like cores, etc, etc, go to Uniqlo, and for like £12, £13, when they're on sale, even less. So you know about the Straddlecaster guitar, you'll appreciate this, you know what I mean, really dope. Uniqlo, fly piece of t-shirt wear, you know how we do, nice length, nice looseness, perfect. Next we got this beautiful black, sort of not heavyweight but medium weight pattern t-shirt with that pattern right there, you know what I mean, bit looser, you know what I mean, really nice fit. Of course, pattern got love for all, you know what I'm saying, those that know. If you got them black waves, you got them black waves. If you got any of the waves, shout out to you. Pattern tee, black, not the best for the sun because it attracts, but you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Last but not least, Bear 77 logo tee, beautiful. Come on, let me just give you a little close up. You know what I'm saying? This ain't a joke. You know how we do. Bear 77 logo tee. This is a small because I wanted to kind of, you know, show my little peculacious, you know what I'm saying, and my armage. But yeah, you know where it is. These will be coming back soon. If you want one, let me know. You know what I mean? Just shout me. Yeah, I'll hook you up. Bear 77, my brand. Like I said, I couldn't do a t-shirt thing without showing my brand, because that would be asinine, that would be stupid, that would be remiss. So yeah, anyway, I'm sweating like, you see that? I'm sweating, yo, I'm sweating out here. But anyway guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Hope you liked all the t-shirts, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, Bear 77, hit me up if you want to know some more. We'll be back by end of this year, beginning of next year, that's for sure. So yeah guys, you already know what it is. Please like, comment, subscribe and share, and as always, stay dope, stay fly. This has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN, and I'm sweating like buckets.